We'll guide you through how to make the screen color normal on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be annoying trying to go and use your phone when it's like this because when you're trying to watch stuff, it all looks different and you just want to get it back to normal. We'll guide you through this step by step. So first of all, go and swipe up and go and find settings and open them up. Now what you need to do is come down and you need to go and find the option for accessibility. As you can see, there it is, go and tap on it. In accessibility, you need to find the option for vision enhancements. Go and tap on it there. Now, what you need to do is come into colors and clarity. The ones we're focusing on are the color settings. So first of all, you can turn off color inversion. Next, come into color correction and you can go and switch this off at the top. Then we can press back and we can come down again and click color filter. And you can go and switch that off like so. And that's it. We've now made the phone screen normal again. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope this solved your problem.